I'm walking around feeling free. That's right.
Hey y'all, I just made it. I have my brother with me and we are at Trader Joe's downtown. I've never been to this one, but I really want to go to one. I don't live far from downtown, so it only took us like 8 minutes to get here. So yeah, we about to go in here. I'm mad because they have liquor store in here and I forgot my ID. Oh, maybe I didn't.
You still need one? They don't look at you?
What'd you say?
They don't look at you?
You think I look old?
No, not like old, but I'm talking about like of age. No?
No.
No? Oh, okay. Wait, so you don't have like no ID or anything like that for like, you know how you drive, right? So you have to have something to, like someone pull you over, right?
My license.
Yeah, you have that, right?
That's what I'm talking about.
Why would you forget it?
It happens.
Oh. What do you even keep? Alright.
Shut up!
Come on, okay.
Anyway, so we're here just trying to like, I wanted to go inside of this liquor store because I'm like, okay, if I go inside the liquor store, inside of Trader Joe's, and I can get like the boozy truffles, I think I need an ID to get that. Not that I really want to eat them now myself, but I definitely want to get them for gifts. But yeah, I don't know if I have my ID, so we'll see. I got my hair done last night though. I told y'all I was doing it. Look at this, just silky. Took way too long in the shop. You know, I'd be uncomfortable being in there for so long. But anyway, so we'll go up in here. I'll show y'all a little bit what I'm getting. I'm really just trying to get some hatch and chili, macaroni and cheese, if I'm being completely honest, and then see what else they have. But we'll see. Let's see. So I guess I'll tell y'all what I got when I get home. But Jerome was right. He thought this was, I thought I was gonna only spend like $80. I got some stickers for Zara, but I thought that I was only gonna spend like $80, and then I forgot. I ended up getting like fancy shrimp and whatnot. So Jerome thought it was what, 180?
Yeah, 183.
183, and then I said $80, and he was right. He was closer, so it was like 150 something. Yeah. And you
let's go to Jimmy John's.
Yeah. Dang, hungry?
Dang, of course I need to eat breakfast. I woke up like this. You know that song? Yes.
He got to my house at 10 o'clock. It's 12. He got to my house at 10 something. He ain't eat. But it's supposed to be my fault. Oh, hold on.
Yeah, is Jimmy John fast?
Freaky fast.
Like how fast? Like, because it matters, because like if you spend like 3 minutes on a sandwich, it's gonna be okay. The more time you take on a sandwich, the better it's gonna be, is it not?
3 minutes?
Yeah.
That's a long time to make a sandwich.
Because you gotta, remember, you got the meat, the mayo, all of that, you know? Not Miracle Whip, mayo, it's different.
No, I like Miracle Whip.
No, I say for sandwiches, I don't know, I'm thinking about burgers, I don't know why. But yeah.
Well, I like Miracle Whip in general, but I did get a little jar of mayo this small for when you come over if you wanted a sandwich.
Yes, that seems right.
No, crazy. But no, they gon', where we at? Can you see it? There we go, Jimmy John's.
Yeah.
Yeah, they are. And this gonna be quick too. We end up going all out, huh?
Yeah.
I'm getting boxes.
$26.40 for 2 sandwiches, chips, and cookies. No.
Wait, you got 2 sandwiches, 2 chips, 2 cookies, 2 pickle spears.
Oh yeah, I didn't. I guess not then. She was like some. Wait, she was like the sandwiches is like 11 something. The sandwich is like 11 something, you know?
No, 11 something was per box.
Per box?
Wait, so 22. I don't. You should got 3C because I don't remember.
Yeah,
I think it's almost $12.
Yeah.
So it's at 24 plus tax. I mean, I don't know. I wasn't really paying that much attention.
I don't either, but I'm like, damn, like I really spent almost 30 bucks, you know?
Well, I feel like we should have just got the sandwiches, don't you think?
Yeah, at that point.
So good, you're not gonna sit down?
Oh yeah. Damn.
I'm tired. I feel like we didn't even do that much. So I think after I eat, I'm gonna show y'all the Trader Joe's haul. I have everything still here. And then I'm gonna shower and then start prepping for later. So bake cookies, decorate some later this evening so that we have it just like staged for pictures, you know, because our pictures are cookie baking. So we're gonna be rolling out the dough with the kids, Sharif and I, and then yeah, then we gotta bake them, but we don't have all that time. Like that would take so many hours, so I'm just gonna do it so I have some dough, but then I already have cookies baked, and then I'm gonna have some cookies frosted already too. So all right, so this is the stuff that we got from Trader Joe's. So I got 2 of these from my house, but my brother got one of these and then one of these. So we got orange chicken. This is like the best orange chicken to me. And then fried rice we eat it with. I got some stuff I usually don't get this time, like some peach slices, mangoes, this mixed berry blend, and then these pineapple tidbits. I usually don't get this, but I really want to start doing smoothies, and I feel like Nasai is going to really start liking this. Then I got some peppers. These are my favorite to just add in almost everything. And then I got the fire roasted ones too. These are different because these have the onions. It's like 2 something, it's like 3 something. Got the hash browns like this because this is the reason why I go to McDonald's in the morning for hash brown and orange juice. So I just have my own now. Green beans. This Danish butter cookies is something that my brother wanted for his house. Well, for my mom's house, but I ended up paying for it. Well, everything he got, because that's how people get me, because I be forgetting and everything's in the same cart. We got this. My favorite macaroni and cheese is the Hatch chili macaroni and cheese. It's like the best. I got like some type of salad blend, kale, Brussels sprouts, broccolini, green cabbage, and red cabbage. I don't know what I'm using this for, but that's gonna be good. And then this harvest apple salad kit that Sharif likes. Broccoli, this type of like pasta, spaghetti, queso e pepe. So I don't know how to pronounce none of this, but I heard this is good. It's spaghetti pasta and rich creamy sauce with some Romano cheese and black pepper. So this is gonna be good. I got these as well. It's funny, I'm gonna keep saying these because I don't even feel like trying to pronounce things. I'm trying to put the stuff away so I can take my shower and do everything else I need to do. Broccoli, asparagus over there, rhubarb and strawberry soda. I've never tried this, but I think this might actually be good. Unexpected cheddar, the shredded cheese, and then this right here, this pizza seasoned cheese, as well as the pizza sauce, and then pizza dough. So this is something that we like to do with Zara. We actually haven't did it in like over 1.5 years, so I think this would be good to make a pizza with Zara middle of the week. Orange strawberry banana juice, cheesecake cones. I think these are good. Almond Florentine cones filled with the creamy cheesecake filling. I never tried it, but I heard it was good. Chocolate croissants. I plan on making this in the morning for everybody. And then these mini ice cream cones are chocolate chip flavored, sugar plum sparkling beverage. I think that's gonna be good. Garlic hummus snack pack over there. Let me see, taking forever to zoom, but that's good. Drink like those. It has like little pretzel thins in there. And then these dark chocolate cookie sticks, because now Zara's about to start learning money, so we're gonna have her paying for her dessert every day. So with her little fake money, you'll see how that goes. I don't really know how that's gonna go, but we'll see. But anyway, these to be good. And then they also do not have a warning for peanuts on here, so that'd be great. She's gonna enjoy these. Then these cookie butter spreads, dark chocolate, these are my freaking favorite. So I only bought 6 this time. I did say only, but I only bought 6 mainly because I don't really want one, but Sharif like loves them and will eat 6 if I buy 12. So, or even if I buy 7, he's gonna eat 6 of them. So there we go. These are gelatin free, so they are actually vegan and gluten free, but these are peppermint mini marshmallows. So I usually only buy marshmallows from Trader Joe's or from like the Dandies line. Nobody besides me in the home eats pork, and I rarely eat it, so you know, this works out. I did pick up some new things. Have not tried the eucalyptus in my shower, but I've heard great things about it, and so I decided to get a bunch of it here. So I'm gonna roll it in my shower before I take a shower today. Super excited. I'll just use this rubber bands that's attached to it to my shower, because I have twine, but I don't want to use it because I want to use it to wrap my gifts later on. This shampoo is like super good, this tea tree kind. So the shampoo and conditioner, really like it because we just are a dandruff family, so this really does work for us. And then I got this coconut body butter. Sorry, I've never tried this, but also heard good things. I have tried this before. It's a super lemon room spritz, and I really liked it. So lemon, myrtle, and spearmint oils. But yeah, so anyway, this is everything that I got from Trader Joe's. This is for my brother, this is for him, and this is for him too. So I put that stuff away, put all my stuff away, and then yeah. So thank you so much, y'all, for watching the haul part of this. Maybe you fast forward it, maybe you watched it, but if you don't have Trader Joe's near you, go. Like I said, this is the first time I went to the one downtown. They didn't really have as many options as the one I usually go to, but I mean, it was still enough for me to get what I needed. So this was it. Okay, so I realized that I had used all the vanilla, like all of it, when I made the cookies, and I was like, I don't have anything for my icing. So dang, you know what I'm thinking? Maybe it'd be easier because, you know, I'm technically decorating with the kids, that not only will I make royal icing, but I'll also, like, I'm not gonna make buttercream. I'm not gonna do them both. I need to keep telling myself that I don't need to do them both. I can buy it, right? So I'm gonna go, anyway, I'm gonna edit my Instacart order. So basically, I realized I didn't have any more vanilla, and I didn't have a lemon, and I need those two things for my icing. They're playing the game, Sharif and my brother, so ignore all the background yelling, okay? But so basically, what I did was I just went ahead and placed an order on Instacart for like food coloring, vanilla, a lemon. Look at this outfit, y'all. I'm wearing straight shoes, but wow, you can barely see it. That's okay. I'm gonna do a try on haul, but this is one of the outfits that I got from Boohoo. And it's cute. It has a little design, right? I don't generally like leopard print, but I thought it was cute. But anyway, this is what I have so far. So I just put the plastic wrap, or the press and seal right here, over these cookies, and these will be the cookies that we use to decorate while the other ones are actually being baked, that we roll out. And these are the ones that I'm about to decorate tonight, so that it looks better for pictures, so we can show that some have already been decorated, you know? I don't know, I'm trying to make this process go faster. I think these pictures can be done in 45 minutes. What is that? Oh yeah, I just started dinner too. So dinner is in the crock pot. I just flipped them. I'm making beef short ribs, and then mashed sweet potatoes, and then asparagus. But anyway, so I'm about to decorate these. Well, I'll make the frosting in a little bit. I just washed all my dishes. Yeah, So royal icing will be on these. I'll get some buttercream, edit my Instacart order, and then that way the kids have options. Then they can have sprinkles too, because I won't use any of those on these. So this is like a hard mix. I think it's a hard mix because it's like from baking the way that I would bake to adding kids, you know, like Zara can roll with me. We'll figure that, you know, that out. She's already been playing with royal icing since like, I don't know, 3, you know, so she will be fine. But Nisai, I'm gonna need some sprinkles and some buttercream. That's it. Sharif can hold his own with the royal icing too, because Sharif was my little side baker for a minute. Well, I gotta go. My mom's calling me and she has the kids.